Here's how to get the old app icons on your iPhone. Now, if you don't like the app icons, especially when you upgraded to iOS 26, you can always go back and change them. The first option you have is to press and hold on an app. Let's say Instagram. I'm going to press and hold on it. And you'll be able to see here it says Edit Home Screen. Tap on that button and everything will start jiggling. And at the top left, you can see the Edit button. So let's tap on Edit here. And then we're going to choose Customize, that second option. You can see here it says Default, Dark, Clear, and Tinted. Now, a new update is this Clear and Tinted, where it allows you to change the app icons to be all kinds of weird colors and variations. However, if you just want to go back to the normal ones, you can choose Default here. And all these app icons will go back to the normal default, but there are some other options to be able to change them however you want. You can switch over to dark if you like this mode where everything is a bit darker and there's sort of a dark mode around it, or you can go back to the normal version. However, you can also go into your settings and change the functionality of that clear or liquid glass features so that it looks a bit like the old app icons. So to do that, we're going to scroll down, and the first thing we're going to do is tap on Display and Brightness. And from here, liquid glass instead of clear, we can switch this to tinted. You'll be able to see all of the menus and items will sort of be less transparent. So instead of clear, you can switch this to tinted, but there are some other ways that we can get those app icons to look like how they did before. Let's go back out here to the very beginning of your settings, and then we'll scroll down and choose accessibility. And then we're going to choose display and text size. There are two things you can turn on here. One is reduce transparency. If you turn this on, again, everything will look a little bit more solid and less clear or liquid glass. And you can also turn on increase contrast. You'll be able to see when you hop out of here, everything really pops out and is bold. Now you do have some other options as well. If you wanted to, you could always press and hold on an app. And then you can, instead of the normal app size, you can switch it to a bigger size, and essentially it will change the look and feel of that app. You're essentially creating a widget for that app. You can still just tap on it and it opens up Instagram in this case, or whatever app it is. And now the last option you have to be able to go back to old app icons is to open up the App Store here. And then on here, we're going to search for App Icon Changer. And you'll be able to see lots of apps on here. For instance, color widgets. I can go in here and it will allow me to set certain app colors or themes for the lock screen and the home screen, and even be able to get back to some of the old nostalgic look and feel. You can see all of these old school app icons. All you need to do is just download and install this app. Again, it's called Color Widgets. Download it and install it, and you'll be able to use that to get to any app icons that you want.